Now we are going to look at subtotal function. Subtotal function basically helps to get the results for the selected values or filtered values or visible values. The result can be sum of total values or total count or total average, minimum value or maximum value for the selected cell or range. This is a sales report. In this, I need total for the sales or quantity or price for the selected or filtered values. Let's try. Equal subtotal, pressing tab. So here we are getting two set of values. One start with 1 to 11 and each number refer to each function. And another set of value start with 101 to 111. This is also related to each functions. Each number refer to each functions. In this, number 1 to 11 used to get the result for the selected or filtered values, and number 101 to 111 used to get the result for the visible cells. Let's see the result for the selected values or filtered values. So now I want the sum of total sales. Sum, it's 9. So tab, comma, let me select the range. So here reference 1, reference 2, that's nothing but the range. Then enter. So now I got the total sales. But where it will be used? Let me select one brand. Let me select LG. So now if you see the total here, so you will get the total only for the selected brand. So I have chosen LG. So now you will get the total only for the LG. So I have selected this 4 cell. So the total value is 323007. So same, you got it here as well. Let's remove the filter. To remove filter, go to data, click the filter. To apply filter again, select the header, go to data, click filter. So now we got total sales. So now I want to know which product sold maximum number. So let me do that. Equal subtotal, and for maximum it's number 4, tab, comma, select the range, enter. So now I get the maximum number out of the entire data. So here you get 18. So 18 is nothing but the tablet. Okay, so now let me go and filter. Let me filter LG again. So here if you see, you're getting 16. So monitor has been sold for the highest number. So let me remove the filter, data. So instead of remove, I'll click clear. Okay, so now I want what is my average sales. So let me create a formula. Subtotal, for average it's number 1, comma, then select the range, enter. So let me select some other product, Apple. For Apple, the average sale is 1,777. If you add this to, so you can see this is average. You can also choose other band and see. Dell. So Dell we have only one. Let me choose LG again. So in LG the average sale is it's 1114. This is the average price for the sale. Let me clear the filter. Now I want to know total number of products sold. How many products sold? Like I'll use again subtotal. So I'll take count A because I want to use this for the text. 3, then I'll select the product. I want to know the different product sold. So now I get 18. So 18 is the total value. So now I'll go and filter LG. So here I can see in LG 4 products sold. Let me choose Acer. So 2 products sold. Let me choose Apple. 2 products sold. And let me select everything. So this is the result for the filtered or selected value. So now we'll see how we can use this for the visible cells to get the value for the visible cells. Let me apply the same formula using 101 to 111. So equal subtotal. So to get the average price, so we use average, it's number 1. So instead of number 1, I'm going to use 101 to get the value for the visible cells, comma, let's select. To get count, to get the maximum value, subtotal, maximum value, it's 4, comma, sorry, it's 104, comma, select the values. To get total sales, subtotal, so there we use 9, here it's 109, comma, select the range. So both the places we use same formula, but the only changes is we use, in this series we used 1 to 11, but in this series we used 101 to 111. So let me filter same LG brand here. Let's compare the results. So if you see, both the results are same. Okay, so now let me unfilter and I'll hide few rows. So let me hide this row. If you see, the result has been changed. So here you get result only for the visible cells, but here it is not changed, because here you get the result only for the selected or filtered value, but here you get the result for the visible cells. Let me hide some more. Hide. See, it has changed. Now I'll just add everything. 1609096, same result. Similarly for count, so with the visible value, so this is the maximum count 18, and for the average price, so 1228. So here you can see the result 1228. So this is the subtotal. So we have seen 2 criteria, so one for the selected value, another one for the visible value. Hope you understood. Let's move to the next function.